your girl, Dr. Nina, and I hope you're doing well. Now, you know your girl loves everything self-care, hygiene, home, organization, all of those little things that really add to your life and give you some time back, okay? Reclaim that time. But even more, I love it when it's affordable, okay? Y'all know your girl don't play about a coin. And especially now while we're expecting our little bundle of joy, this is the perfect time to continue to beef up on those items and find things that work the best to keep you happy, together, and keep your mind on track. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you some of those items that have really done that for me. And the greatest thing about that is this video is brought to you by Temu. They reached out to me, they were newer to me, and I was able to choose some items that I'm going to show you today. If you're not familiar with them, they're an online marketplace that offers affordable items that are high quality in multiple categories. That includes home decor, organization, health, hygiene, self-care, appliances, fashion, and more. And they have site-wide sales and coupons with savings up to 90% off and free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. I'm not only going to share the items with you, but I'm going to show you the price right on the screen so you can see how affordable the items are. Go ahead and use my link down in the description box to download the Temu app. And when you use my link and my code, you'll get the $100 coupon bundle for free. Now let's get into these items. Now y'all know something your girl don't play about is her hygiene. From my head to my toes, baby, I like to keep it together. And nowadays it's even more important for me. But one of those things that's even more important is these teeth. And any time in your life, your teeth are important because you're only blessed with one set after they come out the first time, unless you want to keep playing and paying for new ones. And I ain't trying to do that. So I want to make sure that I continue to take good care of them and find any means possible. One of the things that I was able to snag on Temu was this cordless flosser. Y'all know I am a cordless flosser connoisseur because my teeth are very tight together. These also are great for irrigation between the teeth in addition to your normal flossing, especially for those that are able to do that well. For me, it causes a lot of bleeding, so the oral irrigators are really great. And I wanted to see if this one stood the test against some of my others. And I will say, in using it over time, it works really well. It has 4 adjustable heads on it. It also has things that can get right in between the teeth or scope under those teeth and also cleanse the rest of the mouth. I also like the fact that it comes in nice colors. It's lightweight. It probably would travel very well. I was very shocked at the quality and also for the price, honey. You can get a couple of these, give them away, maybe plan to give them away for gifts or for Christmas gifts, anything. I was really shocked by the quality of them and the low price. I have been trying to search for new ways to feel more comfortable in my skin. And one thing is I always work out. I still do, even in pregnancy, and I am always sore. So I'm trying to find new ways to make it easy for me to relax other than my husband having to give me massages all the time. So baby, this massage gun, this mini massage is amazing, honey. It comes with 4 detachable heads on it, and it is good for just using across the body with these detachable heads to get closer to the muscles. It's meant to help to relax, to help soothe those muscles and those soreness. And I will say, we own another one that's bigger, and I actually like this one better because it's smaller, it's compact, it's easy to pack away, it's easy to have with you or take with you if you're going to travel. It's lightweight, and I was not expecting the fact that you can easily just plug it in or charge it. Because it was so small, I expected to have batteries with it, but you can just charge it by any means with a USB, and it works so well. It's also sleek, a nice design, and I like the items. They're very durable. What I was nervous about is about items being so affordable, if you will, that they would be easy to fall apart. But I will say the quality of this fascia gun is just as good as my items that cost more. I was very shocked by that, and I know I will be a long-term user. I don't know about y'all, but I am good for having multiple throws around the house. By throws, I mean amazing covers that make you feel good, make you feel warm, make you feel comfortable. And I don't care if it's summer, winter, spring, or fall, honey. When it's cool in the house, you want to be able to cuddle, you want to be able to feel good. So I got you. This Faux Sherpa Throw, Oh my God, it's everything. It's so soft on the outside and the inside. The color is quite vibrant, and I wasn't expecting for it to be as high quality as it was. It helps me to feel so warm, especially when the air is a little bit higher in the house because Sean tends to be a hot body. I love toting this one all around the house. The price is can't be beat, and also I just think they make for nice little gifts for others as well. It's heavy weight and heavy duty, so if you like for your items to not be super light, I know if I'm going to have a throw, I like for it to have some weight to it. Okay, for some reason that helps me to believe it's much better, and this one is. So if you're looking for the perfect throw for you, your boo, or anybody to be able to lay under, and it is good for two, okay, this one is it. I don't know about y'all, but I am getting into my label game, okay? I love for things to have a name and a place in the home. And it's nice to write those things out sometimes, like having the chalk labels and things like that. But I'm also loving having a quick little label maker and printer. And I got this or snagged this portable label printer, and it is so adorable. Like, y'all, I'm so tired of stuff not having a label on it, including my little electronics, things around the house, those types of things. And this makes it easy. You download a little app and you're able to print or use different fonts or other things in order for you to print out cute little labels that come out easy. And this one you can figure out without instructions. I literally took it out, downloaded the app, put in what I wanted to print, and I was able to label instantly all of my little hard drives that I use that I just play toss up with when I put them into the computer and hope for the best. Now they have labels and I know which one has what information. Y'all, this mug, y'all, that's showing my age, is amazing and you're gonna love it. Look, y'all, as I get older, I am even more of a germaphobe. I like for things to have a way to be rinsed off, cleansed very well without me having to touch a lot. So same thing in the kitchen, right? When you're washing off different produce or different items, I like for there to be a way to cleanse them well and keep them from touching everything, if you know what I mean. So this silicone drain basket and folding colander, y'all, I was not expecting this. It's like $2 and some change. I wash all my apples. I've used it for washing my grapes. I've used it for washing other things. And what's great about it is it also has retractable sides. So you're able to, no matter the size of your sink, for the most part, it should be able to fit across your sink. So not only are you able to rinse thoroughly the items that you're trying to clean, but you can also allow for them to drain properly. I can just sit it there and allow it to drain, put those items where they go after they're done, and I'm good to go. And I just love how retractable it is. It is very durable, and it also feels like it's not going to bleed off or come off on my food or cause any other contamination. So I was very much impressed with this one. And since we're talking about keeping things clean and hygienic, I love a good scrubber brush. But what I did not own was a shorthand electronic scrubbable brush with multiple heads to it. You need it for dishes, you need it for the floor, for different clothing items, other things, and Temu came through, okay? I have this little brush that has different detachable heads on it, various kinds, for cleansing your dishes. You can even use it on your shoes, on your floors. Of course, you want to make sure you keep those little heads separate, right? But it makes cleaning easy. And what I've noticed is even for my pots and pans that I don't want to get scratched, I can use it for that because it has an easy grip. And you can even take it, pair it with your favorite cleanser, and wipe off your shoes and other items. It just depends on what you're using it to cleanse for. But at this price, it's definitely a win because it's going to help you around the house with various items, keeping things clean and neat. And not only that, it took the guessing game out of me having to, use something that I'm doing the manual labor and power for. It makes stuff easy. And what do we like around here? Affordable and simple. Ladies, I don't know about you, but when I travel, I like for things to be made easy. And these little makeup brush holders are everything. I was so happy that I found these. And what I like about them is they're not just traditional lay down brush holders. You can actually use them while you're at home, not just travel, but you can sit them up, put your brushes or other items inside, and easily close and store. But what I like is when you're on vacation or when you're somewhere else other than your home environment, is you can use it to set up and stand so that you're easily able to pull from it the items that you need. and just zip it up and take it on your way. Y'all, I couldn't believe these were so inexpensive. And now these are my new traveling buddies. When I go somewhere, I have my brushes, other little items that I don't want to waste in my bag because they're not only mesh, but they're also lined with a bit of little plastic guard so that they don't come out and, you know, make other things messy, even if you have dirty brushes in there. So I just absolutely love the little setup. The fact that it sits up and then also zips and closes is one of those hands down things that a lot of people don't think about, but it makes life so much simpler and easier, and they super cute, right? And inexpensive. I wanted myself my own little maternity pillow, and Temu came through with that. Now, what I wanted to say was I wanted to test one out because I wasn't completely sold on the idea of them. I just wanted to see what it would be like having one, because I had not only heard that they were good in your days of pregnancy, but also after when you're breastfeeding and other things. So I did pick up this nice one that is not only a great maternity pillow, but it also has a removable velvet filling outside that is washable. And I also love it because you can open the inside and stuff it with more stuffing if you need a more robust feel. Now, if you're wondering what it's for, it probably can help people that are not just pregnant, okay? But what I love about this is it encompasses my whole body. Since I've been sleeping with it, I do not have back pains, okay? It keeps me from flipping over on my tummy, on my back. It provides me with support. And not only that, I love that I can lay on my left or my right very comfortably, and I can support it also with my regular pillows, so it makes me feel like I'm just more secure in the bed as well and on the couch. So I think this one is good for anybody. Also, I just love how soft it is. It's warm, it's welcoming, and it just makes me feel good in the house. And it's cute, okay? It's cute. And the fact that it's washable makes it 10 times better. Y'all know I love some good color and I love pillows. I am a pillow lady, okay? And so I was looking for some cute little pillow covers that I thought would be nice. Now, I know you got to be careful, especially when we get to talking about affordable. We often equate affordable with cheap. So I saw inexpensive covers that claimed to be soft, and I ordered them, and they were absolutely adorable with a nice soft covering on them, also with a mild design as well. I found that these go on my little throw pillows, and I was able to take the little covers off that were already on them and add in these covers. They look so cute. They look so cute, and they zip up, so you put your pillow right in and you zip them up. Y'all, so soft, so durable, and I was shocked by that, okay? Even the zipper, the zip line was very nice and secure. So I would say if you're looking to spruce up your area like me, I like to change out pillow covers, things like that. This is a very inexpensive way to do it and make it look good. Now, I might be slow to the game. Y'all let me know if I am. I know you will, because y'all don't have no shame in telling your girl nothing. But what about electric lighters? Did y'all know about those? Now, what I'm finding with electric lighters, they seem to be a bit more safe than your regular lighters. What I like about these things, you flip up the top, you hit the button, it runs, you do what you need to do, and you close it and it's off, okay? And it lights most anything. And I loved just trying it out because it looked really cool, but it also is quite durable. It works really well in the spaces that I need it for, and especially for things I'm using it for, like lighting small things like candles. It just makes that more safe, makes it easier, and also it's fun to use, and it looks nice and sleek. The case is adorable, honey. And for the price, you're getting, I want to say, several uses out of this thing. I was very much impressed and happy with the usability of it. I mentioned that Temu had several health things as well, and I wanted to get a pulse oximeter, and I was able to find one there. Now, what does that do? It helps to measure the oxygen levels in the blood. So I like just taking those kind of measures and heart rate and those types of things, and me and my husband are able to use those. For instance, whenever I felt faint or things like that, because it can happen, especially now in pregnancy, I wanted to make sure I had something around that kind of gave us a quick read. And it's something something to add to our first aid kit so we know numbers and we know certain things if we do have to go into the hospital. So this bad boy comes in handy, especially if you're looking to complete some of the home health items that you have or your first aid kit. This might be something for you to look into, and it's inexpensive and it works. So I know I'm about to get on somebody's nerves with these labels, but I don't care. Anything that's labeled real nice, looks crisp and clean, especially in the house, and you know what's in there, okay? And so instead of just the printable labels, they also have pre-printable labels, and I got 2 separate ones, one for the kitchen and one for bathroom or household hygiene items. Y'all, the best buy ever. The price is amazing, and these are pre-printed and they look so good, and it comes with different looks and different sizes. So for instance, covering my Q-tips and making sure those had a nice look, so I can say cotton swab, okay, and make sure that I put that on there, or your soaps, or anything in your kitchen like your cereals, your couscous, your brown rice. It had something for everyone, and you don't have to search. It came with a sheet that lets you know exactly what's in there. These are also labels that don't have a background, so they're very clear and translucent with only the black lettering. So I love that because it's already done. You don't have to type nothing, download no apps, no nothing. These pre-printed labels are everything. They are also very much quality. When I peeled them off, I've had labels in the past where I paid more money, and when I peeled them, they came apart. And they go on to especially glass or hard plastics or biodegradable items very well. So you will be very pleased. I hope y'all have enjoyed today's haul and my items that I shared with you. These are just some of the things that I was able to pick up from Temu and try out. Make sure that you download the app with my link and code down in the description and get that $100 coupon bundle for free. You can't say your girl ain't never done nothing for you. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Beautiful brown baby doll. Peace.